cousins, this is Gauri from Cherry by Gauri, and I'm back with a vlog for you guys. This is the part 3 and the day 3 of Wayanad trip, and I'm really happy to be visiting Wayanad. And if you haven't seen the first and the second part of the Wayanad trip, you should go and watch it. And tell me how you guys felt and what was your favorite part. After the morning walk, breakfast and everything, we went to this Banasura Dam, and I think this dam is very beautiful, and there are a lot of stalls where you guys can buy things which are famous in Wayanad. So you have to pay for the parking and pay for the entry also. I think Banasura Dam is very beautiful. I have seen in pictures and I'm very excited to go there. And this is the place where you guys can do a lot of activities and all, but we did not apparently because we were very we really wanted to discover the place quickly so that we go early to Bangalore. So there's a bus where in which you guys can go to the main point. You guys can walk or take a jeep also, and it is not a long drive from there. It's just like minute or and I think it's a minute and a half journey. I mean, I'm saying it a journey. It's just 1 minute journey. Oh my god! And the beautiful scenery just took my eyes out, I guess. And we got a lot of pictures here. You guys can take pictures this side. You guys can take pictures like the all sides of the places are amazing and very, like very good for pictures, and I think it's very nice. We did not spend a lot of time here, as I said, and then we went back. The activities you guys can do here are boat riding, and there are 3 types of boating: speed boating and normal boating. And you guys can just go for a ride on a boat, and then we got back to the main place, and then we saw a exhibition while coming, so we thought of visiting the exhibition also. And I think the exhibition is open for all time, like not only now, but it will be open even when you guys are there. I think exhibition halls are very unique and show the culture of the place, and I think this place is filled with goodness of Wayanad. I think Wayanad is a very beautiful city and has a lot of people who are very friendly and very kind. I've met so many people till now. Only 3 days we have visited, but I have had a lot of fun. And this place is mainly with all the things they are like what actually Wayanad is famous for, like coffee, food items, some clips, bags, everything is here, from food to food to toys, from games to holy book holders. Like everything is there, and it's very beautiful. And after visiting the exhibition, we headed to a lake. The lake is not too far from the dam. It's like 10 to 15 minutes ride from there. Even here you have to do a pay parking and then get entry. There is also entry fee also there. I think it is, I don't know. Let's get inside and check that out. The day it's kind of cloudy, so it's not too much tiring for us, but even though it is not too sunny, we were quite tired till we came to this place. We were quite hungry also. This is the entry. Actually, the lake is called the Kallad Lake. And we asked the people what is there inside. They said there are a lot of activities there. we were confused if we want to visit or we could directly go for our lunch. So this is the main office where you have to take the you have to collect the ticket and then get inside. So over here there are a lot of instructions and what all activities over here are there. So we got some instructions from there and what all activities are there we got to know. And after doing that we headed to the main lake. So the way to the lake is very very beautiful. There's a play area also, and these flowers are so beautiful, guys. I totally loved it. As you guys can see here, there are a lot of activities like boating. Mainly the thing is boating. We did not do anything, but we sat here and had a lot of fun. We sat, we chilled over here, and there were some localites who came and they started singing a song for us. Wanna hear?
Okay. Thank you.
So after the amazing song in Karlag Lake, we came to this amazing place for our food. It's a lunch. It's not lunchtime, but we had to do our lunch, and we wanted to do in a perfect Kerala restaurant. And we did not want a restaurant, a local place where everyone can visit and have amazing food from Kerala. I think Kerala has amazing variety of food, and I think it's more. It has more varieties in non-veg, but we were veg, so we thought to get a veg platter. But the veg platter was as tasty as maybe the non-veg ones. I don't know how the non-veg tastes, but I think it was even more fun to sit there, experience, and as we were eating, the rain started, and I think it was amazing. And enjoy some pictures from the day 3. Morning coffee is the best thing. Another day, another coffee.